Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, updates, and insights. Today we delve into Yamaha's newest iteration of the MT-03 for 2025. This lightweight Streetfighter packs a punch with its aggressive styling, advanced features, and thrilling performance. If you're looking for an all-rounder motorcycle that excels in urban agility and weekend rides, the MT-03 might just be your next bike. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha MT-03 showcases the dark side of Japan aesthetic with an aggressive and futuristic look. Its sharp LED headlight cluster, minimalistic bodywork, and muscular fuel tank give it a bold street presence. The revised graphics for 2025 enhance its visual appeal, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride for both new and experienced riders. Its compact frame and sculpted seat make it perfect for weaving through traffic or carving corners. Engine and performance. At the heart of the MT-03 lies a 321cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This DOHC powerhouse produces smooth linear power, delivering an exhilarating ride with 42 horsepower and 29.6 N's of torque. Yamaha has tuned the engine for responsive performance, making it perfect for city commuting and spirited highway runs. The 6-speed transmission ensures precise shifts, while the lightweight build enhances acceleration and handling. Woo! Advanced features. For 2025, Yamaha has introduced several technological upgrades to the MT-03. The bike now features a 5-inch full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for navigation, call alerts, and ride data. The enhanced ABS system and dual-channel traction control provide superior braking and stability, ensuring rider safety in various conditions. The bike also comes equipped with all LED lighting for improved visibility and energy efficiency. Suspension and handling. The MT-03's suspension system has been fine-tuned for optimal performance. It features a 37mm USD KYB fork up front, offering excellent feedback and control. At the rear, the preload adjustable monoshock ensures comfort on bumpy roads and stability during aggressive riding. The lightweight diamond frame contributes to the bike's nimble handling, making it a joy to ride in urban environments and twisty roads alike. If you enjoy this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Expert for more exciting content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.